My name's Quinton, this is TradeLog, and today we're going to learn how to link with Plaid for BrokerConnect. This video will show the basic steps for linking your account with BrokerConnect for the first time. It is important to note that the data required for connecting may vary depending on your broker. First, select the appropriate broker account tab you want to link. Then, from the account menu, click the Import Settings button. Enter the username of the account you want to link, and then click Link Account to open the one-time setup in your web browser. Your default web browser will open with a new page. Click Launch Link to continue. Then, click Continue to agree to the terms and continue using Plaid to connect your account. Select the broker you want to link from the populated list, or type the broker name in the search bar. Enter the email or username and the password to the account you are linking. Then, click Submit. Select the method you want to use to verify your identity. Then click Continue. Once you've received the security code, enter it into the box and press Submit. The verification can take up to 2 minutes. Please do not leave or close the page, or press any other buttons during this process. During this time, you will see a spinning wheel that may at times stop spinning. This is normal. It does not indicate that the page has froze. Once the verification has been completed, Plaid will return your brokerage accounts. Select the account you want to link and press Continue. You will receive a message if the linking was successful. Then press Continue. Close TradeLog, wait several minutes, and then reopen your file. And you're all done. From the Account tab, you can now see that the BrokerConnect button is available, and you can use it to import your trades.